Hello, good morning, and welcome to our YouTube channel. To our viewers at large and the students, thank you once again for tuning in to our YouTube channel this morning. Thank you for supporting the program. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing knowledge. Like we promised, still with KCSE 2021 Maths Paper 1, revision is still on. So at number 1 today, guys, there we go. The question is reading, evaluate 1 4/5 plus 2/3 of 2¼ minus 3/10 all over 5/6 plus 22/39 times 1 2/11. So we are told to evaluate this for good marks. Guys, we can't let this go, and we have to earn. So starting with the numerator, we are going to obey board mass. And from board mass, we are starting with the numerator, that is of. So this is what we are going to do. That is 2/3 of means times, converting 2¼ into improper, it shall be 4 times 2, that is 8 plus 1 is 9/4. So working out this, what do we get? Cancelling where possible, and therefore 2 goes into 4, 2. 3 goes into 9, 3. So what are we left with? 3/2. Then, inserting it back, obeying our board mass tail, we shall go to division. This was 1 4/5 divided by. So we go to division, and therefore we shall have 9/5, excuse me, 9/5 divided by 3/2. So we all know what to do here. We are going to convert this into multiplication by reciprocating 3/2. So what shall we have? 9/5 times 2/3. And therefore our answer becomes, simplify where possible, 1, 3. And we get 6/5. So that is where we are. Still to finalize with the numerator, we shall have 6/5 now minus 3/10. Our LCM becomes 10. 5 goes to 2 by 6 is 12 minus 3. And therefore, we shall remain with, I said 5 goes to 2 by 6 is 12. And 10 goes 1, 1 by 3 is 3. So we shall remain with 9/10. We shall remain with 9/10. So now let's go to the denominator. Let's go straight to the denominator. So what do we have again? Still with board mass, we're going to start with multiplication. And our multiplication is 22 out of 39 times. Converting into improper, we shall get 13/11. 13/11. Cancel where possible. 13/1, 13/3. 11/1, 11/2. So what do we remain with? We shall have 2/3. Then combining it with, now we are going to addition. So what are we adding? The 2/3 plus, the only thing that was left was 5 out of 6. LCM is 6. 3 goes 2. 2 by 2 is 4. 6 goes 1. 1 by 5 is 5. So what are we left with here? Our final answer becomes, of the denominator becomes 9/6, which can be simplified as 3/2. Common factor is 3. 3 goes into 6, 2. 3 goes into 9, 3. So now bringing them together, our numerator over the denominator now becomes, remember our final answer for numerator was here, 9/10 divided by 3/2. So reciprocating again, we shall remain with, or we shall have 9/10 times the reciprocal. that is 2 over 3, and therefore common factors still 5, 2, 1, 2, 5, 3, 1, 3, 3. So our answer becomes 3 out of 5. Thank you guys. That is very easy to understand. We just obey our weapon here is BODMAS. We multiply where possible. I mean bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So I decided to use the numerator. Work it out, obeying BODMAS, we get 9 over 10. Work the denominator, obey BODMAS, we work it through and get 3 over 2. Then combining the two, we still obey BODMAS, we reciprocate, and we finally reach at or arrive at 3 over 5. Free marks, guys, to my students. You cannot miss this. I don't think a question on fraction, combined fractions, or combined operations on fractions can miss. It's either fractions, decimals, or numbers. So let's go. With number two, we are told 2 bells ring at intervals of 35 and 42 minutes respectively. The bells ring together at 8:48 a.m. Determine the time when the bells will ring together again. So guys, under solution, here we are just expected to get the least common multiple, that is LCM. So what is the LCM of 35 and 42? So common factor, of course, let me say 5 goes here, 7. Of course, it does not go in 42, so we drop it there. 7 goes 1, goes here, 6. Then 3 goes 2, then 2, 1. So what is our LCM here? So therefore, the LCM becomes the product of the prime factors here. And the product gives me 210. That is 6 by 7 is 42. 42 by 5 is 210 minutes. Remember, the units here were minutes. So our LCM also takes the unit. And therefore, now they will ring together again after a period of 210 minutes. How many hours are they? So converting into hours, what do we get? We divide by 60. So we find these are exactly 3.5 hours. So they will ring together again at or after 3.5 good hours. So what time will it be? What time? So we take the time they rang together earlier, which was 8:48 a.m. plus the duration. Duration they will take to ring again together will be is now 3 hours 30 minutes. So if we add this, what do we get? Adding through, we get 8, 7. So I write 1 because I've migrated or carried away 60 minutes, which is 1 hour. Adding to 11, we get 12. So they will ring together again at 12:18 minutes. So guys, thank you very much. These things are very easy. We can follow through. Just read the mind, or the objective of the examiner here, the expectation here. Then you are good to go. Get the LCM, convert into hours. Then now that they wanted the next time they will bring together again, it means we add. And there we shall be. Thank you guys. Let me ask you once again, please, the only way to support this program is by subscribing, by liking, giving a comment where necessary. Your comment can also boost us. You never know, your input might even improve the program. So guys, don't let us walk alone. Walk with us and we call it a day. For those who want to reach me, the Beacon Master, as I always say, you can contact me. We see how to help the children. We have projections for 2023 from FORCE. We have revision books well formulated for all the candidates, all subjects, that is from 1 all the way to Form 4. So please, when you contact the Beacon Master here, our main big deal is to work with the learners and make the work more easier for them so that they can realize a better future. Thank you guys. and may God bless you.